25 million is the current raise, which could go towards their next EV model. Now, back in February, Fisker is going to be for the Ocean SUV or for the Pear. But either way, great that they got some cash. They're lucky, but that's not really the point of selling a car like that. It's doing it because you can. It's a cool thing to do. Hey, there's more news today. Goodness me, tons. Next, the car rental company Sixt. That outpaces Model 3. You know, Giga Shanghai making 1,000 Model Ys a day, officially exceeding the 800 Model 3s they make every single day, and accomplishing that after a recent 4-day shutdown to upgrade some of the Model Y lines, says Teslarati. After 4 days of overhaul at Tesla's Shanghai plant last week, and up to 1,000 units of the Model Y every single day. A lot of those are for export. Of course, Model Y in Shanghai recently being to VE because we have a baby seat and a pushchair, and I want a Model Y, right-hand drive, please. Wow. Anyway, but you know, we're driving an Ioniq 5 very soon. We're going to have one of those to play with, and Mazda hoping for at least 100 miles of EPA-rated range. Well, let's compare it, should we? The Chevy, a cheap EV by comparison, it'll do 150 miles in its base form. Car and Driver say that Mazda
could be run with a petrol engine. It could be electric, and it could be fuel cell. It doesn't matter what the power source is, but it does need, autonomous vehicles need to replenish their energy somehow. If the vehicle can't do that automatically without human intervention, the system is meaningless. The same thing would be true for petrol or hydrogen. Right now, the automotive industry is thinking about how to invest in the future of mobility. At the same time, the IT industry is thinking about the future of mobility. And somewhere, sometime, the auto and IT industries, there's going to be a convergence.
Yeah, but I'm trying to get all the way around, so if you want to do that, that's fine, but you're going to have to wait for me to go around. So, yeah, you wanted my spot, there you go, you've got it.
Climbing over rocks. Instead, a smooth, flat under tray from which only the wheels and their attachments protrude. There is no crawl.
Then.
So these are 17,000.
Stop at the narrowest part of it.
There is a survey done online. The take in and following the instructions. And if you do that, enjoy some free electrons. Let's start with some numbers then, and we'll start with the global plug-in car sales around the world. Always interesting to look at these, isn't it?
Go!
A bigger picture, a wider view about how we're doing as a planet with EVs. And I've been talking about
short miles. I'm going to call that the Sport Quattro. Not the tractable. There we go. Sport Quattro. Sport!
It's pulling away in the car space. Yeah, I've never pitched it, but I'm sure if I did it would be sold immediately.
enough. And the great thing about Steve's character, you know, I also think Archie Bunker is like one of the greatest characters, possibly the greatest character who's ever been in comedy. But they're people who are just doing the right thing, and you can't. It's hard for Americans, at least, to get mad at them.
Right. Where do you think that he
never wanted it, and it makes me mental. And, you know, and look, Alec Baldwin, I love him, he's the funniest guy in the world, he's great. But, you know, that was a showy part. And Steve's part.
Mackie, do you want to come say hi?
I do. Mackie can.
Mackie can.
Yeah.
Hello, Mackie. Come on. Come. You don't want to say hi?
No, I'm thinking in my pajamas, so no. Oh, he's off. Enchanted to meet you. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm going to put it in my phone.
Oh, but I was listening to that song. Did your friends like your dog?
Yeah. Oh dear. Didn't mean to do that.
Are you done?
Yes.
Can I drive?
Yes.
Mute it on you, so I don't know. If it automatically is electrically, then yes, but if it doesn't, then no.
Maggie was very happy, by the way.
Yeah, until he ran out into the car park and I thought